everyone, this is Neenu here, and this vlog is a travel vlog. We are going to IKEA Navi Mumbai. So as you all know that IKEA is the Swedish company and it's a very big furniture retail. So they have opened their second outlet in Navi Mumbai last year, which is a huge hit. So I thought why not to go and check IKEA Navi Mumbai and let's see how it is. So I'm taking you guys also along with me. Let's go. So from Malad West to IKEA, it took almost 1.5 hours to reach over there. And this is just a tip. If you are going on weekends, you need to do a registration on the IKEA website. Please do that. They will give you a preferred slot because the IKEA is almost overcrowded. So it is really mandatory to show your scan code, and that's how they will let you enter. So our slot was at 12 p.m. and we entered at the same time. And yeah, the huge was really very, the store was really very huge, and we were too much excited. So the first section was the lowest price segment, and here all the prices were very cheap and the quality was good too. So a lot of planters and pots and small tiffins were there with just 19 rupees. So I really like this. The next section was beautiful planters and pots. It was really looking very much beautiful. So if you are a plant lover, there are a lot of options over here in the different sort of. Oh, what have you taken?
Different.
For what?
For class one.
For class 1. Is ready.
For my school.
The USP of IKEA, I would say, is how to store and how to organize everything in the short space as well. So look at this bedroom. This is so nicely organized with such a small space. I mean, their designing was just perfect and it was really very attractive. And they were also providing the complete storage solutions plus the complete storage unit as well. So it was really a nice deal, and I will highly recommend to those people who are setting up their new home. It's very nice. This is the section of center table and sofas, and here is the screen. If you don't want to walk so much, you can customize it as well. So in the whole IKEA you will see this arrow. Actually this is the savior, because IKEA is so big that you will be just lost. So we just need to follow this arrow to understand which sections more to cover, and here we are going. And here are some more pretty color bedrooms, and some white, some blacks. You know what I've seen? I think the color which is totally in trend is white. It looks so exquisite. I mean, everything is just white and it looks so elegant. I'm totally in love with this flattering color. So you can definitely go for whites. IKEA is all about whites, and of course the thing which is colorful is too colorful. Next is the kids section, and it was really very beautiful with all the bunk bed concept. I mean, it's very nice to see everywhere the bunk bed and the whole bedroom set. I mean, up is the bunk bed and down there are many study table for the kids and the chair. So it was a nice overall concept. I really liked it. So if you are keen on arranging your kids room, I think this is a perfect gateway. There are some more bunk bed and the samples are over there. So this is the total kids furniture with lots of storage devices as well. You can see a sample room, the kids kitchen as well. It was so colorful and very beautiful. They have organized it. Now, the food court is something which I really need to mention over here because this is a totally different kind of food court. So, it was looking like an airport scenario with a nice queue arranged, and they were totally on the way that you need to maintain the social distancing plus the mask on. They were telling us which queue to go, and then once you are in the queue, you need to take your own trolley. Then while we took our trolley, then you need to organize your own trays in the trolley, and then you can just walk in and take whatever you want. And after taking all the food whatever you want, then you need to pay and the billing, and then you can just go and relax in the restaurant and eat your food. And while the billing section has not yet come, so there was a section where you keep all your things which you have bought to a segment, and then you come to refresh yourself. So I really like this that there were less people employed over there, and they were just directing us what to do. So it's an excellent use of manpower, I will say. And they have very limited and the fixed menu, but I must say that was so tasty. Like IKEA is so big that it will take almost 4 to 6 hours to there to stay, and I took dal makhani with rice, while there were a lot of options like chicken tikka and paneer tikka, salmon, and some veggie ball, meatball. So the menu was delicious and fixed, and you just have your own rice or rajma and enjoy it. There were some starters also like chicken nuggets and veggies. So it was nice experience. And then bottles as well. Then you will take your trolley and go to the sitting space. So there was such a huge crowd, but and also the tables were done the crossing sign. That means they were maintaining the social distance. But what I really felt, which is commendable, is the space was so big that still a lot of customers can be accompanied. So that was really nice. And even though there was such a huge crowd, but they were maintaining so well. I mean, the management was superb. Thank you. For the food specifically, if I say. And the rule was once you finish it, you will keep the trays again back to the trolley, and you will return your tray to the kitchen area. I mean, there was a section over there, and the good part was all the people were all following it. So it was a nice thing. I mean, such a different thing that we have seen. So it's nice. Something which you experience is different. So I really liked it. So here we are going to return our trays over here. And then out of curiosity, we saw that all the dirty dishes are going to a different segment. I mean, it was a trolley like of a thing, and it was a cabin where it was going to. Then we came to level 1, and this level 1 is all about the utensils, the lamp, and all the furnishing, the home furnishing section. So it was a huge section. Until this time, we have been already tired. I thought that next would be billing, but no, even this section was all untouched. So again, we went and checked. It was a huge variety of utensils, and so those who are really looking for their home can come, and more specifically the prices are good of this, and plus the quality was also nice too. And you know what, these utensils, there are some of them which I haven't seen before, so it was nice to see something new. So I was finding something new, what can be new which I don't get easily. I was actually looking for those things, and some of the things I definitely got it. So it was a nice experience, and this level was also too big to walk, so we haven't covered the whole. We walked till half, and there was a shortcut to exit, and we went to the exit. And there are some of the clips, and also they have decorated in such a nice, pretty color section wise. Now here comes the curtain section. I must say they have played well with the colors. It was so beautiful. I mean, all of the curtains were looking so beautiful that we will be in the ambiguous situation, which to take and which not to take, and see the effect of window, how they are showing that the sunlight variation. The next is the cushion cover and all bedsheet sections. Trust me, guys, it is very colorful. Plus, it was pocket friendly too. I will not say that it was so high in the range. It was not actually. So I like the section quite well.
Is everyone's responsibility. Remember to keep your mask on and maintain all the social distancing measures at all given points of time.
This I think we see less this type of thing. So, and yeah, this is the lamp section. I couldn't take just my eyes off. This was so awesomely arranged. I mean, it was just very beautiful to see, and you will just be amazed in this section. Everywhere it's lamps and lamps, so it was highly and highly recommend to go over there. If you are a light fan or lamp fan, please go over it. There was such a variety, I must say. Then there are again some flowers and colors and the mismatch sections. So the main attraction was sometimes it's all color. Now here comes the last section, and when I see here, it was looking like a manufacturing unit of any company. The storage was so in a higher side. I mean, they have all the things, whatever is the IKEA products are being there, and they have their own furniture as well. So a lot of furnitures were there. You can come and take. And this was so amazed to see such a big warehouse. And finally, after 4 hours, we got our billing section. I mean, once you enter IKEA, it will take minimum 4 hours, I'm saying, to complete the whole unit. Even we have left half part of the second floor. So now we are dead tired and we are seeing the billing and we are finding it. But it was very nice also to see such a big warehouse and such a big IKEA. I really like it. Uh, and he's some resting, and finally some billing and checking out. So here is again a food corner, which is not that big of course, but yeah. And this is the last glimpses of the whole warehouse where you can just take the furniture. So all type of